If you're looking to turn your design skills into cash using Figma, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to make money with Figma, even if you're just starting out. Let's jump right in. First things first, let's get familiar with Figma. It's a powerful tool for designing websites, apps, and more. But how can you monetize those skills? Here are 3 key ways. Number 1, offer design services. Start by creating a portfolio showcasing your best work in Figma. You can design anything from website layouts to mobile app interfaces. Once you've got a portfolio, use platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or LinkedIn to find clients who need your design services. Number 2, sell design templates. Another great way to make money is by creating and selling design templates. Think of things like website themes, UI kits, or social media graphics. Once you've made a template in Figma, you can sell it on marketplaces like Gumroad, Creative Market, or even Etsy. Number 3, teach Figma. If you've mastered Figma, why not teach others? You can create online courses, write tutorials, or offer one-on-one coaching sessions. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and even YouTube are great places to share your knowledge and earn money. And there you have it. 3 effective ways to make money with Figma. Whether you're offering design services, selling templates, or teaching others, there's plenty of opportunity to turn your Figma skills into a profitable venture. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more design tips and tutorials. Drop your questions or ideas for future videos in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.